Right. Lift kit installed for the Intech Solar Horizon. First off, you need a Milwaukee wrench, impact wrench to take off this wheel. 20mm socket wrenches. So just take this wheel is off. And of course, I forgot to mention you got to use the bottle jack 20-ton from Hubbard Freights to raise this whole thing up. A regular low profile jack is not gonna help because of how the height is. So next up, and you can see there's two bolts here that holds the axle. One here, and there's another one there. It's 24mm Tecton wrench, resting wrench. And of course, you gotta hold something up there. I don't think I can use an impact wrench to get to it. So there's two bolts. So just unloose those two bolts. Don't take it all the way out. Alright, so to remove the bolts, you can use a wrench, 24mm socket wrench, a small one to fit in there, and loosen the bolts on one side. Don't remove completely. Right, so next step, you gotta put a jack stand to support the axle. So you can put this spacer here, I guess a leaf block, and then just raise it up and align to the two holes in there. It's really important to use jack stand to support that axle. Alright, so two mounting bolts here, and then you're gonna put another two mounting bolts underneath right here to secure it. And pretty much repeat the other side, and that's it is.